Welcome to our exciting exploration of weather's wild side. Today, we're diving deep into Earth's atmosphere to explore the 10 most unpredictable weather phenomena. From the terrifying spectacle of supercells and tornadoes, to the awe-inspiring sight of volcanic lightning, prepare for a journey that will take you to the heart of nature's awe-inspiring and unpredictable power. So, buckle up and get ready for a tour through our dynamic and ever-changing weather world. 1. Supercells are the giants of the storm world, commanding respect and caution from both meteorologists and storm chasers alike. These massive, swirling thunderstorms are capable of producing severe weather that can leave a trail of devastation in their wake. What makes supercells particularly daunting is their erratic nature. They can escalate rapidly, shifting from a benign cloud cluster to a full-blown storm with alarming speed. This unpredictability often leaves meteorologists scrambling to provide timely warnings. Within these colossal storms, conditions can be ripe for the formation of tornadoes, golf ball-sized hail, and flash floods. Each minute with a supercell feels like walking on a tightrope. One wrong step, and everything changes. 2. Tornadoes are nature's whirlwinds, descending from the sky with ferocious speed and unbridled force. Emerging often from the jaws of supercells, these violent vortexes of wind can touch down with little to no warning. In a blink, their paths can alter. A seemingly clear patch of sky can become the stage for turbulent winds that obliterate everything in their path. Their speed and intensity are equally capricious, causing widespread destruction, often in the span of minutes. The sheer unpredictability of tornadoes makes them one of the most concerning weather phenomena. Some spin quietly, barely touching the ground, while others roar with deafening noise, ripping roofs and uprooting trees. 3. Heat bursts are the night owls of weather phenomena, known for their clandestine nature. Imagine going to bed on a cool night, only to wake up suddenly sweating as the temperature spikes dramatically. This rare phenomenon occurs when warm, dry air plummets during a thunderstorm, causing a sharp temperature increase. The conditions surrounding a heat burst are incredibly specific, a perfect storm, if you will, which is why they are so rare. Generally occurring at night, these temperature surges can catch people off guard, adding to their mysterious allure. While not particularly dangerous, the suddenness of a heat burst adds it to the list of unpredictable weather events. 4. Volcanic lightning, dirty thunderstorms. Volcanic lightning, also enchantingly referred to as dirty thunderstorms, is as mesmerizing as it is enigmatic. When a volcano erupts, it spews forth ash and particles into the atmosphere. These particulates can lead to the creation of static electricity, resulting in captivating lightning storms that illuminate the volcanic plume. The artwork painted by these electrical discharges against the darkened sky is nothing short of magical. Given the chaotic nature of volcanic activities and the conditions needed for electrical charges to accumulate, predicting these thunderstorms is extremely challenging. Despite their unpredictability, they offer a visual spectacle that photographers and scientists alike eagerly await. 5. Microbursts are like the microwave bursts of the weather world, intense, brief, and potentially destructive. These downbursts of wind occur when cold air descends swiftly during a thunderstorm, emitting high-speed winds upon impact with the ground. They can flatten trees and buildings in seconds and are especially perilous for aviation. Pilots dread the thought of encountering a microburst, as it can severely affect an aircraft's lift, sometimes with disastrous consequences. One moment, the sky may seem calm, and the next, the air is whipping with intense force. It's this sudden and localized destruction that keeps microburst high on the list of unpredictable weather phenomena. 6. Polar vortex disruptions. The polar vortex is traditionally confined to the Arctic regions, swirling with icy air. However, its boundaries are not always stable. When the vortex breaks apart, frigid air can spill southward, resulting in unexpected cold snaps in areas far from the poles. These disruptions are notorious for their unpredictability, transforming mild winters into brutally cold episodes. One day you might enjoy a sunny, crisp afternoon, and the next, you're bundling up against bone-chilling winds. Such drastic shifts catch even the most prepared regions off guard, adding another layer of unpredictability to weather forecasting. 7. Haboobs, dust storms. Haboobs, with their mysterious name and towering presence, paint a picture straight out of a desert scene. Massive walls of dust are stirred by collapsing thunderstorms, sweeping through arid regions with an ominous presence. The visual is cinematic, as these dust storms can reduce visibility to mere meters. What makes them particularly challenging to predict is their sudden onset and speed. One minute you're basking in clear skies, and the next, you're engulfed in a cloud of swirling dust. For travelers and residents in arid regions, the booth heralds caution and preparedness, a reminder of nature's unpredictability. 8. Thundersnow, a weather marvel that fuses two seemingly opposing elements. Thundersnow redefines what we know about winter storms. Picture a heavy snowstorm punctuated by dramatic flashes of lightning and rolls of thunder. As rare as it is surprising, thundersnow often accompanies intense winter storms. The conditions necessary for its formation are specific, making it a rarity, much like a blue moon. It's not just the visual spectacle that captures attention. The eerie combination of snow muffling the landscape, contrasted with the roaring thunder, creates an unforgettable experience. For weather enthusiasts, witnessing thundersnow is akin to spotting a mythical creature. 9. Waterspouts, cousins to tornadoes. Waterspouts are swirling columns of air and water rising over oceans or lakes. While they appear less menacing than their terrestrial counterparts, their formation can be just as unpredictable. One moment the water is calm, and the next, a spout may form, twisting its way upward. They can pose serious threats to marine vessels and coastal areas, as their movements are hard to forecast. Waterspouts often dissipate without incident, yet their sudden appearance keeps mariners on their toes. While encounters with these swirling phenomena can make for thrilling tales, they are best observed from a safe distance. 10. Ball lightning. Ball lightning is one of the most mystifying phenomena, fascinating scientists and curious minds alike. Imagine glowing spheres of light, floating through the air during a thunderstorm, defying explanation and capturing our imagination. Unlike typical lightning that zigzags across the sky, ball lightning is much more elusive, with no clear path or behavior. Their appearance can last from mere seconds to several minutes, leaving some to question if what they witnessed was real. Despite years of research, ball lightning remains one of the least understood weather occurrences, adding an element of mystery to storms. Witness stories often border on the incredulous, with ball lightning sometimes seen hovering outside windows or floating harmlessly through homes.